Hello and welcome to a brand new week and a brand new week of maths lessons. Okay, let's start with our do now. So you are going to count the objects with your adult and you're going to tell them what number I need to put in the box. Okay, so if you pause the video now, you can do that with your adult. Off you go. Okay, you should have worked with your adult there. Let's count the space objects and write the number into the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. There were 5 spaceships. So I'm going to write my number 5 here. Okay, on to the next one. How many rockets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What do I need to do when I get to 10? Yes, I need to group it. And then I need to count on 10, 11, 12, 13. Fantastic. 13. Okay, on to the next one. How many planets have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I grouped 10. What do I need to do once I've grouped 10? Thank you if you told me I need to count on. So let's count on from 10. 10, 11, 12. Brilliant. How many space people have I got? Just the one. Okay, boys and girls, we are learning something new this week. We are learning to explore number bonds. We will be successful if we can count a whole number, we can split a number into 2 parts, and if we can say what is the whole and what are the parts. Okay, our star words of the day are number bonds. Number bonds. I'll tell you what number bonds are. Number bonds are pairs of numbers that make up a bigger number. So I'll give you a little example here. So if I have the number 3, and I can do 3 dots to represent my 3 as 1, there's 2, and there's 3. Now if I want to split them into 2 parts, I could have my red part here, and I could have my blue part. In my red part, there are 2. In my blue part, there is 1. So 2 and 1 would be a number bond for 3. Okay, let's have another look. Okay, let's split the number into 2 smaller groups. How many do we have in each part? Okay, so I'm going to split the 2 cubes into 2 parts or 2 groups. Okay, so I'm going to put 1 here and I'm going to put 1 here. I've still got 2 cubes, but I put them into 2 different parts now. So I know that 1 and 1 makes 2. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, I've got 3 now, so I need to split these 3 cubes into 2 different parts. Okay, so I'm going to go 1 here, I'm going to put 1 here, and I'm going to put 1 here. So I now know 2 and 1 makes 3. Let's have another go. I have got 4 cubes. So I need to split my whole number into 2 parts. So I'm going to put 1 here, another there, 2 here, and 2 here. So my number bonds, or my number pairs, are 2 and 2. Let's look at the next one. Oh, I've only got 1 cube. Can I make a number bond for 1 cube, for the number 1? Yes, I can. I'm going to put 1 cube here, and I can't put another cube here. So I know that my number bond for 1 is 1 and 0. So 1 and 0 makes 1. Okay, boys and girls, I want you to have a go now. So I want you to talk to your adult. Maybe you can use some cubes or use some buttons on 2 plates or 2 pieces of paper. Okay, you need to get 5 of them and split them into 2 parts. Okay, so pause your video now, off you go. Okay, boys and girls, you should have done that with your adult. Now I'm going to show you how I would do it. Okay, now there are lots of ways you can split 5, but this is how I'm going to do it. 1 here, 1 there. 1 here, 1 there. 1 here. Oh, look, I found a number bond for 5. How many have I got in this circle, boys and girls? Yes, I've got 3. 3. And how many have I got in this circle, boys and girls? 2. So I know that 3 and 2 makes 5. Okay, can you find a different way of splitting them up? Can you find a different way? Pause your video and talk to your adults about that. Okay, boys and girls, you should have had another go at splitting 5 into 2 parts. Let's see. I'll show you how I would do it now. So I've decided I'm only going to put 1 over here. I'm going to put 1 in there. Okay, I'm going to put all the rest over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I found a different number bond for 5. In this circle, or this part, I have 1. In this part, I have 4. So I know now, boys and girls, 1 and 4 makes 5. Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to show you what we're going to do for our independent learning today. So, if I stop sharing my screen with you so you can see what I can see. I have made a number bond machine. This is my number bond machine. Now I have got, so I just make this a bit so you can see it a bit better. I have got just an ordinary box that looks like this, and I have put 2 pieces of paper in it, and I've got some cubes. Now what I can do is I can create number bonds for any number. I'm going to start with 3 by giving it a shake. Okay, I'll show you how I do it. Look. So I've given that shake. Oh, look, I've got 1 on the yellow side and I've got 2 on the blue side. So I know that 1 and 2 makes 3. Well done, boys and girls, if you got that. Let's have a go with 4. So I've got 4 cubes in here now. Okay, and I'm going to give it a shake. Okay, so I have got 1 cube on my blue side, and I've got 3 cubes on my yellow side. So I know that 1 and 3 makes 4. Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to show you how you can make a number bond machine. So I have just got a small box here. You could use a shoe box if you want. This is the lid of a paper box, but you could use any kind of small box. A shoe box is ideal, really. Okay, and then you are going to need 2 different colored papers, bits of paper. I've got a yellow and a blue. You can use any color you'd like. If you only have white paper, you could paint as well. Okay, split them in half and paint them. Now I'm going to glue one side down here, and I'm going to glue the other down here. So I'll do that now. Okay, there's one side, and here's my other side. Like that. And then I could do a black line down the middle, just to divide it a bit better. Okay, and once you've done that, all you need is some cubes or some coins or some buttons or anything you'd like. Okay, and you pop them in like that. There, I've got 3. Give it a shake, and you can find number bonds for different numbers. Oh, look, I've found a number bond here. So I've got 3 on my yellow side and none on my blue side. So I know 3 and 0 makes 3. Okay, boys and girls, once you've created your number bond machine, have an explore and see what number bonds you can find. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.